Welcome to a Puyallup School District Family University Quick Tip on how to install Office for free on your own computer. Every student account comes with 5 free downloads of the Microsoft Suite. You will need a full student email address and password in order to access these. The email addresses are in the format firstname.lastname@students.puyallupsd.org. For example, if your name is Samantha Knowlton, your email will be samantha.knowlton@students.puyallupsd.org. Please pay attention to the S at the end of students and to the SD for school district at the end of Puyallup. People forget those all the time. Don't do these steps on a district-owned computer. This process is to install the tools on computers that you've purchased yourself. On the computer that you'd like to install the Office Suite on, open a browser and navigate to portal.office.com. Log in with the email address and password, and once you're logged in, you're going to see this Install Office button in the upper right corner. Click that button and it will guide you through choosing the PC or Mac version and going through the steps to install it. If your computer has an older version of Office, it helps to delete that before installing the new version. If you run into trouble or have other questions, please contact the Puyallup School District EdTech Center at 253-841-8600.